Hello everyone, my name is Coral. I am one of the coral reef in a marine area in Vietnam, and this is my friend Nemo, a lovely fish who share the same habitat as mine. Well, it's just a beautiful day today to tell you a story about what's going on in my habitat, so here it goes. A few decades ago, we, the Vietnamese coral reef, were untouched by humans, so we were lively, diverse, and plenty in quantity. However, since the booming growth of the human populations leading to a variety of human activities, our marine habitat has been exploited and destroyed. This means the sedimentation phenomenon from human housings and tourism development are causes of the bleaching and sedimentation of a species. About 80% of the Southeast Asian coral reef is under threat because of coastal development and fishing pressure. And if there is no protection plan, we may all die out.
Oh, well, not just the coral reef family. My family is endangered as well. Humans catch fish for their consumption. Consequently, the number of fish is drastically reduced throughout the years, and now there are a few of us left. The sea is also dying because we offer biodiversity to the nature. The scientists have shown that our coral reef ecosystems play a vital role in providing the local people with food, minerals, and income from fisheries. Fortunately, in recent years, the offshore coast is quieter due to limited fishing activities enacted by local authorities. Speaking of some action have been taken, there is one resort located in northern Nha Trang is doing something to protect us.
Yeah, I heard quite a lot of rumors about Six Senses Resort located in Ninh Văn Bay, which is about 60 kilometers away from the bustling and hustling Nha Trang city. Ninh Văn village is a rural area that has little access to electricity and clean water. The population here is about 2,000 people and they are primarily dependent on fishery, so the marine life here is being threatened. Six Senses is the initiative adopting sustainable development practices into their brand values, which are local and global sensitivity, fun and quirky, and pioneering wellness. Coming to Vietnam since 2004, they focus on the sustainability of the environment, society, and the economy. For instance, they know that concrete accounts for most ecological footprints and soil sedimentation, so most of their facilities such as room, restaurant, and pools are made from wooden materials. They replace plastic materials with glass, they commute within the resort by bicycle or electric bikes, and they do recycling and reuse.
Local produce in the restaurants such as local seafood, fish and meat. They also grow an organic garden inside their resorts, so they don't even need to buy vegetable. They have programs to raise their guests' appreciations to the nature. The cooking class is one example. They teach their guests how to harvest the veggies and make the rolls. They offer some diving tools to watch our beautiful fish and reefs, which can help enhance the guests' place attachment to this specific location. With that in mind, tourists can show more respect and appreciation to our marine life. From the social perspective, Six Senses also support Ninh Văn Village Primary School with studying tools and offers scholarships to the best students. They are working on a water system of a school for the purpose of providing clean water for the school and local community. In terms of economic aspect, they bring jobs to the locals so that locals don't have to live on fishing anymore. They hire local people and train them their sustainable practices to maintain the mission of Six Senses. Besides, Six Senses collaborate and support researchers in the Coral Project to find a swimming and snorkeling pathway to the reef and create the inventory of coral and fish. Six Senses' ambition for 2017 is to develop the coral nursery and transformation site to help marine environment. What amazing efforts to keep the brand's values, to enhance the guest experiences, and to show their respect to the nature.
Wait, however, knowing that Six Senses pursue sustainability and help minimize the impact, but they have huge gaps. First, they are high-end resorts that charge their guests thousands of dollars for their close-to-nature experiences. This means they are not easily accessible. Only wealthy people can afford that high rates. Then it raises a problem. How can Six Senses make greater and massive impact if they only aim to high-class people? Second, they've been in Ninh Văn Bay since 2004, but not until 2013 did they support the work of the researcher to prevent the coral reef and marine life from dying out. This shows little effort has been made to protect the marine life. Then, how do they give back to the nature as they said? Last, they don't attract much attention from the local authorities about what they've done and what they are trying to achieve. This may limit them from being able to partake in bigger scale environmental protection.
Yeah, in short, Sixsen is aware of what is going on in our marine habitat and they are taking some actions to help. However, the lesson here is, together with their existing sustainable business model, we need more improvements, more serious commitments and research, and they need to get more involvement from all the stakeholders such as local authorities and organizations to solve the issue, so that the model is applicable to not only tropical areas but also other parts of the world.
If Sixsen could overcome the limitations, their brand values are even stronger and they can get stronger brand recognition and their business is growing more and more. It is a win-win situation for Sixsen and us, the marine inhabitants.